Oh! Fuck. Bloody hell. Smash! 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 Hey, what are you doing? What's going on? You forgot to hit the record button again. So that video we just didn't even get recorded because we forgot to hit the record button. I'm sorry I forgot to hit the record button. Oh, you're sorry. Always sorry about everything. Look, okay, people, I'm sorry. I forgot to hit the record button. We were making this video before, and we forgot to hit the record button. So now my mother's upset, as usual. Forget to hit record. Yeah, who forgets to hit record? Sorry for that burp. You sure you're not bipolar? Yeah, what makes you think I'm bipolar? Because you go from being happy and mad and sad? I am not bipolar. Well, you just slammed a magic, a stick, and a refrigerator because I forgot to hit the record button. So obviously it's got to be there's some emotional or psychological or anger issues involved. You get out of here. Yeah. How would you like it if somebody forgot to record in your video? Smash, 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 smash. Lucia. No, don't. Hey. And it's a stupid quartet staff like to keep falling out of the hand. Lucia. Oh. Yeah, that happens. You forget to hit record sometimes. Yeah, that happens, Mother. Sometimes you forget to hit record. I'm sorry. You once again try to ruin my video. Try to ruin our video. Whatever you want to call it. You once again screw up.